So this is Lake Livingston. That island out there is actually 2 miles away. It's a big lake. It's kind of dark out. The waves are kind of big here. And I cut myself. Something on my boat's really sharp. I don't know what it is, but it cut like a razor. And I need to find it so I don't pop my boat.